Glams, it's your host again, Natanya, with the Glam Life, where I'll be providing complete beauty tips, techniques, and testimonials to reveal the glam in you. If you are new to this channel, please click that red subscribe button below. And once again, thank you for all my returning viewers, subscribers, as well as followers. All right, guys, I am back, and we have reached that 2-week threshold for washing my hair. Only thing I did when I got home, I did not retwist, being I knew that I was going to wash. I just put a satin cap on and I just took it off, and here's where we stand. And I'm going to do like a pre-poo on my hair. I'm just taking off my rings so they won't get caught. And I'm going to be doing a pre-poo by doing a hot oil treatment on my hair. There are many benefits to the hot oil treatment. Number one, it can help detangle that hair, which is a must for natural hair. You want to make sure that the hair is detangled as much as possible prior to washing to get out all the shed strands and to help eliminate the breakage. And number two, the oils just help replenish and restore the vibrancy back to your hair. So I'm going to be going in with this Softee Growth Hair Thickening Oil, and it's a revitalizing repair formula, and it has all kind of oils in it. Safflower oil, rosemary extract. It contains no soy and no mineral oil. So if you are looking for something that's curly girl friendly, this right here I would recommend. And as you all see, I have used the product up some. I have some videos out that I'm going to have in the description box on how I apply the hair growth oil. Basically, I am liking it. It is a lightweight formula. The only thing I do wish is that the product was a little bit bigger. They kind of was like greedy and stingy with the product. It was only $3, but basically I am going to go in and start with the hot oil treatment. And I'm just going to just kind of like section the hair, because like I stated before, it's just best to work in sections. And I'm just pretty much going in detangling. Basically, you all see me just grabbing the hair from the end and working my way up to the root. And I'm just getting out pretty much all shed hair just basically with my fingers. Oh, I forgot to untwist one yesterday. And just going through. And again, this is about 2-week-old hair, so it is time to wash and start all over again. And you all look at the still the definition. I do keep my hair in twist. Look at that shine. So it was able to retain the moisture. My hair does not feel dry. It feels actually moisturized, being that we're going on the 2-week threshold, and I credit that to hair greases. I'm also going to have some links in the description box below on the different hair greases that I use. So basically I have this section of hair, and I'm just going to take the product like so. Make sure it's open. And when you do this, you kind of want to have on clothing that you don't mind messing up. Like it is, the fall, so I do have my sweatshirt on. I don't mind messing it up. You don't want to have on your good clothing while you are, doing this, because it could, run and get all over. And then I'm just, as you all see, just going through applying the oil, and like so. And I'm just going to take it and just start working my way with the oil. And as I'm working it in, I'm going to apply some more. This oil, like, it's kind of stingy to come out the bottle, which is fine. I guess you don't want, it just running all over the place. So it is kind of stubborn to come out. I'm just pretty much just starting from the end and working my way up. And this allows me to get out any tangled hair, shed hair, and it helps just eliminate breakage, and it just makes the process so much easier. And just look at that. I'm just able just to go right through, which is definitely what you want. And again, as you always hear the term pack the patience, you definitely got to pack patience when dealing with natural hair. It's not a rush process. You are going to have to take the time to be able to work, vigorously through all these strands. So I'm just going through, working my way through all the strands. And with hot oil treatments, you can do overnight, or you can just leave them in. I'm just going to leave this in for about an hour or so, because I am kind of pressed for time. I want to, go ahead and get it done. But you can just leave it in overnight. And you don't have to heat the oil up or anything. I just normally apply a plastic cap once I'm done applying the oil, and just go about the rest of my business while I let that oil set in, and the heat from the activity just allows for it to get the oil warm. And look at this, I'm able just to go right through and just get out all the shed hair, just all the shed hair, all the shed hair. And so I'm pretty much done with this section. And again, Glams, it's good to work in sections. You don't want to take a big chunk of hair and just try to work with a chunk of hair. You want to definitely work in sections. So I'm just working in sections, and I got some shed hair, as you all see that has came out. With your hair, that's normal. Your hair is going to shed. It's going to shed. So I'm just going to take a little bit more oil. And you see how I have my hands, catching the oil. I'm trying to eliminate it from dripping as much as possible. But that's why I do state to have on old clothing. So if it does get on it, it's not ruining your good garments. So I'm just going through. And when I get done with this section, I'm just twisting down like so. Or you can do a 2-strand twist. And just putting it in a knot like so. And I'm just going to take another section of hair and go through as well. right, Glams, I'm just doing a turnaround for you all to see on how they just makeshiftly Bantu knotted up. And I'm going to take my handy dandy plastic cap and just let it sit for about an hour, maybe an hour and a half. And I'll show you all the results before I go in and wash. Until then, I'll see you then. All right, Glams, I'm back and I'm about to wash my hair, but I said I was going to show you all how it looks prior to me washing my hair. So it's been on for about an hour and a half. And I'm just going to take down this section right here and look at that, Glams. It's super soft. I'm able just to glide right through like butter. And I'm just going to keep my hair in sections like this while I wash. But I just want to show you all the finished product. I mean, look at that. I'm just able just to glide my hand right through, and that's what you want, and that's the purpose of this oil. You let it set in and it gets on all those strands and it just melts through like butter, which makes washing your hair and much more of an ease. And I'm just going to go in now and I'm going to use a sulfate shampoo to get out all the product. I'm going to be using the Garnier Fructis. Now this is the conditioner. I'm going to be using the shampoo portion of this, and I'm going to be deep conditioning with this. So when I get out from washing, I'm going to show you my deep conditioning routine using the Garnier Fructis Damage Eraser. Until then, be blessed and be glamorous.